Hey everyone, this is Jonathan Bernasso, and if you're watching this video, you might be a solar installer or own a business, and you're looking at joining Powur Solar. I'm going to review the reasons why you should strongly consider partnering with us in your solar journey. You can see here in Powur's timeline. Since 2020, Powur has done tremendous volume in a short period of time. You can see that we achieved Inc. 43, one of the fastest growing nationwide companies in the entire country. And we've done this in a fraction of the time. Powur has over 7,000 to 8,000 independent sellers nationwide with the best closers and tier 3 mentors in every market. We have over 200 employees. And in 2022, we did over 300 million, launching Powur Enterprise and Powur Site Capture, virtual site surveys, and so much more. Now, I want you to think about the vision of Powur, being a partner with us or an installer with us. Powur is not just doing solar. Today, Powur is doing solar with a battery, with roofing, with EV chargers. The future of Powur is the ability to add on solar or just add on battery standalone, maybe roofing standalone, HVAC, windows, heat pumps, all of these different items that we will be able to install and service in the smart home of the future with Powur's decentralized platform. Powur is currently in about 25 states as seen here. We just opened Hawaii. We're also in Puerto Rico with other plans to expand as well. One of the best things about Powur that you get access to is something called cost of goods. We show you the base price per watt, 80 cents per watt on construction. If you're an installer, that would go to you. Modules, we show you the price of the solar panels, the inverters, the sales tax. We procure the racking, the site survey, how much we pay for designs, permit fees, interconnection warranty, project management, even freight. Margin is what we get paid on. In this system, you can see 28 REC solar panels, one of the best brands of solar panels. This is an 11 kilowatt system. That means at a final sales price to the customer, cash price, $3.17 a watt, which is a great price. This system has over $11,000 of margin. That's almost an $8,000 commission. Now, if you sell this as an installer, you get the commission and you get paid to do the installation. Here is another sample pricing with Powur Vision, our proprietary in-house proposal tool. You can see we have white labeling, so you can have the name of your company or your business on the proposal. And again, you can see that we show you the price and fees of everything, the designs, the construction. They do vary state to state, market to market. So we'll connect you with our install services team to get the master service agreement so you know what all the fees and adders are as well. Why Powur is winning in the marketplace while a lot of companies are going out of business. We give you that transparent cost of goods. Everyone gets access to the same cost of goods from day one. You don't have to start your way, earn your way to the top, not be able to build a team or do other things. You get it all from day one. We give you fully customized solutions, including white labeling proposals. We have a huge buying power, so we can likely procure REC panels, Hanwha panels. We can do Franklin batteries, Solar Edge batteries, Enphase batteries, racking at a lot less price than a smaller company. We have a 30-year warranty, bumper to bumper. We even have an ambassador referral partner program. So we are able to work with partners like yourself all around the country in different capacities: sales, install and sales, roofers, sellers, referral partners, and so much more. So when you join Powur, we give you access to the assets, proposals, back office, presentation materials, training knowledge base, even healthcare affordable options from day one for you and your family or your team. Let's take a look at some of these assets as well. You get the social media shareables from our marketing center. You can access your own websites, landing pages. We give you your own personalized URL, which is a landing page you can share with your database, your sphere, and if someone enters information, it goes directly to your email alerting you someone's interested. We have a customized marketing center where you can enter your company name, personal information, email, cell phone, flyers, postcards, yard signs, door hangers, and so much more. You can download them, you can print them, take them to your print shop, post them on social media, or better yet, deliver hundreds or thousands of flyers or postcards using the United States Postal Service at the click of a button for pennies on the dollar. We have proposal software tools. You can click and remove panels. You can see the offset. You can see what the customer is using on their electricity usage and how much this proposal is going to save them. You can see the utility escalation every single year, and you can see the leftover utility bill as well. We have all the financing options and cash and even lease and PPA options as well across the country. If you want to learn, Powur gives you access to Powur University. You can learn more, take your Tier 1, Tier 2 certification. You can learn about azimuth, different roof types. You can learn from the top salespeople. You can see all the adders, mounting adders, ground mount adders, batteries, and so much more. We have a robust Powur knowledge base. You can access tons of tools like our 30-year Powur Care warranty. You can see the nationwide coverage map, looking at which states we cover and what areas with the incentives in every single market. We even have weekly live Zoom trainings in every market from our leadership to give you or your team the best training available. You can look at contracts, our inverter companies we partner with, our lending partners we partner with, and a lot more. We've also done virtual site surveys. So the homeowner or the sales rep can take a photo pack of 12 photos and we can send it to our in-house design. If you don't want to design the jobs, Powur can do in-house design. We have a CRM with Powur.com that you get access to when you join us. You can see your reporting, team sales, you can see the notes on your tickets, you can leave tickets to your projects and get a response the very next day, and even use the live chat. Our referral ambassador portal is awesome. Your referral partners can track their $1,000 check and get paid digitally as well. When you join Powur, you get access from day one to our 5 income streams. Personal sales, if you want to sell the deal, 70% of that margin, that commission goes straight to you. If you just want to join us and put in the leads and refer them to the top closers across the country and earn half of the commission, you can do that too. Both of those are paid out daily. Commissions are paid out daily through a digital e-wallet. We also have revenue share. You can build a team if you want to and earn on 6 different levels of revenue share or overrides. And lastly, we give you stock options at different milestones as well. Now here at Powur, you can earn revenue share. That 30% split that Powur keeps, they give half back in the form of a revenue share. So if you build a team, someone that joins Powur and has an installation, the following week, you're waking up with $500-600 passive income check. Now, you don't have to build a team if you don't want to, but the option is there for you, especially with Powur Enterprise. Now, if you're an installer, we recognize that the installer relationship here is the most important part, one of the most important parts. So Powur has a master service agreement, which we can connect you with our install services team to review the payouts for construction, adders, batteries, and so much more. Powur is the GC license holder in every state that we operate in. So it's our contract, our paper, our warranty, our GC license. We even procure equipment and we procure racking. We take care of funding and payouts as well. We even do the virtual site surveys, or we've crowdsourced on-demand site surveys where we'll do the site survey, collect all the information. We can do our own Powur in-house design. So Powur will design the system for you, and then where allowed, Powur can actually submit the permit as well. What ends up happening is we reach out to you, assign the job to you, and then we let you know when the permit's approved to install it, have it pass inspection, and hand it back. So whatever level of engagement you want with us, whatever that relationship looks like, if you'd like to be turnkey and do everything, if you'd like us to do most of the work, all the options are on the table to navigate with you. Now, Powur has different levels of relationships with our partners, giving them stock options, gold, silver, bronze, and perks as well. Here you can see the stock options that we have on your first install of someone you build a team, or annual performance goals. With Powur Enterprise, you have exclusive access to volume-based pricing. If your enterprise and your team can do over 15 sales in a 30-day period, you unlock an extra 2.5% of revenue directly to the enterprise. If your team and your enterprise can do over 60 sales in a month on the sales side, you get 10% of the margin paid directly to the enterprise. So if you are an installer or a business owner and you want to partner with us, we recommend that you join Powur Enterprise. Now you can see here that our normal license is $85 a month, a $99 startup. You get access to the back office training, CRM, everything that Powur offers. Our Powur Pro license is $175, and you can have lead generators, support staff or assistants, even managers. You can customize your lead offer and the percentage you're offering your leads at, and get preferred partner assignment. And lastly is Powur Enterprise. If you're an installer, roofer, HVAC company, and you're a company that wants to join and partner with us and lock arms, maybe we have installs in that area that we can assign to you, or our sales team can request you to do that installation, and you want to get to the front of the line and show that you really are a vertically integrated partner with Powur, I suggest that you join Powur Enterprise. You can have your own team of seated sellers, design your own compensation plan. You get extra equity stock options as well, advanced reporting, white labeling, and the ability to earn a volume tier bonus as well. So I recommend whoever sent you this video, get back with them, jump on a call, get your questions answered, and we look forward to working with you.